NAAR Cup Series here with a different style video that I normally don't make on this channel. It's a special occasion. We got NASCAR 25, so I'm going through, you already saw my ARCA video, but we're going to be going through all the races and all the series at different tracks and seeing how they race, looking at the graphics, maybe get some cautions. Yeah, I've loved the game so far with the little I've played. I have been playing, but I like it. I think it's gonna be a really fun game. If you've been talking about it, you've seen all the extra coaches. You know it's been 3 years since we've had a NASCAR games, but even people say, but NASCAR 21 Edition, that wasn't that good. Well, most people. So let's jump into the Truck Series here. Let's take a look through all of the drivers. I'm gonna shut up for a little bit and let them scroll through.
You, that's the recipe. Naked on a beach, couple Perry's, yeah. I got all the love that'll ever need. Cadillac seats, California trees. So I don't have for you, that's the recipe. Drink so sweet, the champagne free, yeah. I got all the love that'll ever need. I don't have with you, cause you already after me, yeah. Had to let it go. When I die, they'll bury me in headphones. I don't have with you, it will be written on my headstone. I'd rather do this music till it's pregnant and the legs blow. While you still out here wondering if I would take your friends home. Yeah, you're probably right, and you just wanna know if I'm upset. But I swear to God, I couldn't feel more alive. And I really hope that you ain't feeling nothing less. Yeah, yeah. You took the time that you needed. You took my heart, now bleeding out. But you still feel defeated. And I don't care how you feel. I got love for you, yeah, yes. I got love for you, yeah. But I don't F with you, yeah, no more. I don't F with you, that's the recipe. Naked on a beach, couple Perry's, yeah. I got all the love that'll ever need. Cadillac seats, California trees. So I don't F with you, that's the recipe. Drink so sweet, the champagne free, yeah. I got all the love that'll ever need. I don't F with you, cause you already after me, yeah. I don't F with you, that's the recipe.
So there's all your drivers. Let me see. I'm gonna choose Stuart Friesen. So Jacks are Bristol, Charlotte Roval. Then we have Darlington, Daytona. Then we have Echo Park Speedway, formerly Atlanta Motor Speedway. Homestead, Miami, Kansas, Las Vegas. Lime Rock Park, that's a new one on the schedule. Loop Soil, that's a great one from our ARCA playthrough. Martinsville, Michigan, Nashville, New Hampshire, North Wilkesboro, Phoenix, Pocono, Richmond, Rockingham, new one too. Talladega in Texas and Watkins Glen. I think I'm gonna go Talladega. But without further ado, it's time to get to the truck racing. I'm gonna shut up for qualifying and for the race. See you later.
Racing fans from around the world, welcome to Talladega Superspeedway, the most thrilling track in NASCAR. You're in for edge of Welcome to qualifying.
We're up. Get out there. Let us know what you need. everything you've got for one lap. No pressure, buddy. Okay, this lap counts, driver. Okay, shut her down. Good effort out there. We'll work on getting you better for the race.
Let's take a look at the results of this session. As the session comes to a close, let's take a look at the results. Get on your feet. It's time to go Nascar Truck Series racing as we go trackside for the most famous words in all of motorsports. Driver, start your engine!
Crank it up now, time to go. Let us know what the car needs. Be ready. There's the green flag. Car low. Inside door. Clear low if you want it. Car low. One bottom. One inside. Three wide. One on the bottom. Car low. Inside now. 5 to go this time. 3 wide. 1 on the bottom. 3 wide. Car low. 3 wide. Car low. 3 wide. Car low. One bottom. 3 wide. 1 inside. Car outside. 3 wide. Clear high. Clear high. Car low. 3 wide. 3 wide. 1 inside. Inside now. Inside door. Hold your line. 1 on the bottom. Car high. Car outside. 3 wide. Clear high. Still there. Car inside. Car inside. Clear outside. 1 inside. 3 wide. 1 bottom. Wide. Outside. Car low. Car inside. Clear high. 1 low. 3 wide. Car low. 2 to go this time now. 4 wide. 3 wide. Car low. Car low. 3 wide. Great job. You got the lead. Clear inside. Outside now. Clear high if you want it. White flag right here. Winner, winner, chicken dinner.
NASCAR fans, and make some noise for the winner of today's NASCAR Craftsman Truck Series race. Let's take a look at the results of this session.
Okay. Well, as you were able to see, I was able to win that race. I loved it. I thought the pack racing was really good. Short track racing is also good from that ARC race. I think that 2 different categories, 2 different good styles. My only major complaint is I feel like the AI didn't get as aggressive. I feel like they should have gotten more aggressive towards the end of it. Because they had nothing against me at the end of that. But all in all, the truck racing at Talladega, that was pretty good. So next, we are going to go to the Xfinity Series. So I will see y'all then. Bye now.